Hello and welcome to Stash Software Quick Overview video. Stash Software is an environment management software which provides dedicated development, test and production environments, along with powerful packaging system which requires no build systems such as CMake to work. Installing packages is not required either since all the packages get initialized from their respective environments. Let's dive in and see how Stash Software can help you in development and production environments. This is how you initialize a production project environment. Let's create a development environment for the project so we can do some development work. This is how you terminate an environment. Let's initialize the development environment we've just created for the project, like so. Please notice the displayed information about the initialized environment and the packages along with it. Let's create a package where we can develop and deploy scripts, plugins, tools, and applications. The package we've just created was not present in our development environment by the time we initialized it. Let's terminate and reinitialize the development environment to make it available in the development environment. Let's now create a Python module for the package, like so. Now we do what matters most, developing. We can directly test our implementation since Stash Software packages require no building and installing, like so. We can also run all available unit tests in our package with this command. Say we now expected to fix a bug for a tool, which used by another project. We can switch to its development environment effortlessly like so. After fixing the bug, we can go back to the development environment on the other production project, like so. As you see, we initialize environments on the fly without interfering other projects or environments, and we do so without dealing any chores, such as editing hard-coded configuration files or configuring and running build systems such as CMake. Now it's time to pick up where we left off and release our package for production. Let's do it by using the relevant command provided by Highly Customizable API. Let's now launch an application along with the production project environment that we've just released our package for. As you can see, our package is available for production and initialized from its respective environment. Let's initialize the same production project environment for another application without launching the application itself this time. You can use built-in commands that backed by comprehensive API to do virtually anything, like getting information about the packages, as in this example. Let's conclude our video while you are watching some of the other built-in commands in action. As you've seen, you can create packages with built-in tools and work with them without building and installing since they require no such system. So what you see is what you get. As you've also seen, Stash Software initializes dedicated environments on the fly, on demand, without dealing hard-coded configuration files. There is no manual labor, no chores to deal with. Stash Software offers productivity, efficiency, saves money and time with its architecture and highly customizable API, and let developers do what matters most, which is developing technologies for production pipelines, while keeping artists, users and production folks happy. Download and give a try to Stash Software yourself. We provide extensive documentation, tutorials and API reference. We hope you enjoyed this quick overview video and thank you for watching.